Hi friends, today we study practice set 1.4 math second. This practice set is depend on the theorem ratio of areas of a similar triangles. Friends, we have see the practice set 1.1, 2, 3 and 4. So all practice set are depend on the only one topic, not the different topics. So this practice set also all practice set is depend on the one topic. This is a theorem of a ratio of areas of a similar triangles. So friend, in this practice set 1.1 1.4 part 1, the first question is the ratio of a correspondence sides of a similar triangles is 3 is to 4, sorry, 3 is to 5, and we have find the ratio of a area of a similar triangle. Friends, you know what is this theorem? This theorem is if two triangle ABC and PQR, so areas of a ratio of areas of both triangle is equal to the square of a ratio of their correspondence side, means AB square by PQ square. This is a theorem, okay. What is the theorem? The ratio of areas of a both triangle is equal to the ratio of squares of a correspondence side of their those triangles. So friend, in this question we doesn't given here the name of a triangles or a correspondence side. So let we have write the triangle ABC and triangle PQR is similar here. So friend, let triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, and we have find the ratio of areas. So friend, we have write here area of a triangle ABC by area of a triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of a correspondence side in the square. So friend, we have given only one correspondence side ratio, so we have only write here on any one ratio of a pair of correspondence side which in the ratio. So we have get here the AB square and PQ square, okay. So friend, we have put here the values. This is suppose, okay, name of a correspondence side. So 3 is to 5, to 3 by 5 square. So friend, area of a triangle ABC is divided by area of a triangle PQR is equal to the 9 by 25. 9 is to 25. So our answer is 9 is to 25. Our answer of question number 1. So friend, question number 1 is complete here. Then in the question number 2, we have given the two similar triangle ABC similar to the triangle PQR. Okay, and we have given AB is to PQ is equal to 2 is to 3, and we have find the area ratio of the areas of both triangle by complete the activity and filling the block boxes. So friend, we have given like this, filling the blanks or boxes. We have find the ratio of areas of triangle ABC and PQR is equal to AB square, and we have given here the box, we have fill it. What is PQ square? Because it is in the correspondence pair, okay. Then it is equal to 2 square by 3 square. This is given, okay. Then is equal to, we have filled the two boxes here. So what is 4, 2, 2 to the 4 and 3, 3 is a 9. So we have filled the both boxes, and our answer is 4 is to 9. So our second question is also complete here. Then friend, in a question number 3 also, we have given the activity or boxes which we have filled, and we have given triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR, and we have given here the areas of both triangle values. Okay, area of a triangle ABC value, and we have given the value of a area of a triangle PQR. So what is the value? 80 and 125. Please put book in front of you so you read it and solve it easily. So we have given the areas of both triangle, and we have find the ratio of correspondence side. Okay, so friend, we have given also the boxes here, we have fill it and find the answer. So we have given area of a triangle ABC by area of a triangle PQR is equal to 80 by 125, and we have only two steps is given here. This is the first, and second is therefore AB by PQ is equal to, we have filled the boxes. So friend, directly we have given here, so we have solve it by at a side and fill these boxes. So area of value of area of both triangle is given here. So next step is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQ is equal to AB square and PQ square. Okay, so instead of both we have write here the 80 and 125 is equal to AB square and PQ square. So this both square is convert to the under root 80 by 125 is equal to AB by PQ. Then we have filled it boxes by the short form. So 5 to the 10 and 5 5 the 25 and 5 1 the 5 and 5 6 the 30. So 16 by 25 is given here. Then now under root of 16 and 25 is 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is our answer. 4 by 5 or 4 is to 5 is our answer, because the under root of 16 is 4 and under root of 25 is 25. So AB by PQ is equal to 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5 or 4 by 5. We have given only two pair and we have solved it. But this is we have given right in the side of the page. Okay. So our question number 3 also complete here. Then question number 4. Friends, in this question we have doesn't given an activity, we have solved it properly. So question number 4. In the question number 4, triangle ALMN is similar to the triangle PQR. And we have given here 9 into area of a triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of a triangle LMN. This is a given, okay, in the question. And we are also given QR is equal to 20, and we have find here the value of a side MN. Okay, the corresponding side pair is MN and QR. So we have given the value of QR and we have find the MN. And we have also given 9 into area of a triangle PQR is equal to 16 into the area of a triangle LMN. So friend, when we solve it, we have know what is a theorem, and according to this theorem, area of a triangle LMN by area of a triangle PQR is equal to MN square by QR square. Okay, and we also write a reason behind that is theorem of ratio of a similar triangle. Okay, the reason is a very important. So friend, we have put the value in it Firstly, when we solve it, we have given the 9 into area of a triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of a triangle LMN. So we write here area of a triangle PQR, sorry, 9 into area of a triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of a triangle LML. So we convert this multiply to the divide and this multiply to the divide of another side. So area of a triangle PQR by area of a triangle LMN is equal to 16 by 9. Okay. So friend, we have find the value of both areas. So we have clean it and write the value of area of a triangle PQR and LMN in this equation. Okay. Only we have convert this multiply to divide and this multiply to divide of another side. So friend, area of a triangle LMN and PQR we have find here. PQR is 16 and LMN is 9 is equal to MN by QR. But square is go to the under root. Okay. So we reason also we had that taking square root. So friend, the 16 under root is 4 and 9 is 3. So MN by QR is equal to 4 is to 3 or 4 by 3. So we have find another answer. 4 is to 3 is our answer of question number 4 here. So we have complete our question number 4. Then our question number 5, 6 and 9, which is bigger than this 4 question and bigger of this size of this question. So friend, we have find the answer of these questions in the next videos of part 2 practice set 1.4. So friend, enjoy the part 1 of a practice set 1.4 and like, share our video to your friends and enjoy it.